Hi, this is Kamayah Israel with the K Israel Agency. Hey, I want to share a simple opportunity that combines two things people need right now. Number one is a way to save money on purchases you make every single day. And number two is a system they can use to build additional income. So the membership is currently presented at $28. So when you enroll through my team, I'm offering you 1,000 leads to help you get started. So these are leads you may be able to upload into Wealth step-by-step autoresponder system. And according to the presentation I reviewed, the system is expected to allow members to upload as many as 5,000 leads and email them every other day. So please confirm that though with the current version of the autoresponder limits and the rules inside that account. So why do these leads matter? These leads matter because money is often in the list. The more qualified people you can consistently reach, the more opportunities you have to start conversations, follow up, and make sales. So the thing is, leads alone are not the answer. So you also need a message, a process, and consistent follow-up. So that's where my team support comes in. So after you enroll with me, text me the word leads and let me know you've joined, and I'll give you the next steps for requesting your 1,000 leads, uploading them, and beginning the outreach process. So if you need help understanding what to send, I can also walk you through the messages and the simple step-by-step process we're using. So this is more than an income opportunity. The membership also includes world-class member deals, a saving on things you already buy. It also includes special member pricing, new deals added all the time, and a business you can build while helping other people save money too. So I do want to point your attention to, so the company and the compensation details should always be reviewed carefully, okay? My sponsor, Jeremy, stated that the program pays $25 on a $28 purchase that the company has operated for 4 years consecutively. Before you repeat those statements publicly, confirm that the current written compensation plan still supports you, okay? It's still what they're offering. So I will not promise you a specific income or tell you that success happens automatically. That's not what I'm sharing this with you for. Your results will depend on your effort, skills, follow-up, consistency, and the people you reach. So what I do promise is that I will help you understand the process and avoid trying to figure everything out alone. So if you're ready to learn more, click the button below or text leads to me at 404-987-0832. Let's build with consistency, integrity, and purpose. And I look forward to working with you.